Hi everyone, so last night I decided to experiment with my food and it didn't work out at all. I did some boiled sweet potatoes with some skyr yogurt and some onions and garlic and some condiments, but it was disgusting and I couldn't eat them. And today I will try to fix them and to make like, I don't know, like a pie or something. I just hope it will be edible. Here it is. Well, it doesn't look bad, but if you want to eat it by itself, you just can't. It's impossible. So I will try to add it into the oven with some dough and some tomato sauce, I think. And by the way, it will be my first time doing a dough from scratch, from start to finish. Let's hope it will work out. Now it's time to get nasty. I saw my mom doing this, but it's the first time I'm doing it. I want to make her proud. Yeah, by the way, this is a whole grain flour. I'm not scared of white flour, but I didn't have any, so I had to use this. I think it's good enough. He started to come to life. It came out just fine. I should stop playing with it. That's what she said. So I'm gonna add some olive oil into this pan. And I just hope my dough will not stick, because I didn't try this before, but we will see. Maybe you will ask me why you don't use a cooking spray, because here in Romania we don't have any cooking sprays. So if you are a cooking spray producer and you want to expand here in Romania and you want to make some money, you can. I will be your partner.
One eternity later.
I think it's ready. Okay guys, so it's done, it's over, it's looking good, it smells amazing. I just hope it's edible. Let's taste it. I have to sit down for this one. I just hope it's good. Just hope it's good enough. Okay, so the moment of truth. Nice texture. It is definitely better than last night. Yep, I like it. I will add the full recipe in the description below. It's not bad for the first time doing this. My first time doing a dough. My first time doing a pie like this. I'm proud of myself. I think with white flour would be better for the dough, but it's okay, I'm not a picky eater. So I'm gonna finish this meal, and once again thank you very much for watching. I hope you will try this recipe. If you do, please let me know. I hope it will be better than mine. See you in the next video guys. Thank you very much again. Bye.